I was conceived by rape. My mum was a victim of child sexual exploitation and was groomed by my father. And I think it's incredible that she even decided to keep me. I don't think I could ever look at that child without thinking about all the abuse. She was 15 when she had me. He was 10 years older than her. He then murdered my mother. He set fire to the house, my dad did, but he took me out of the house before he did that, so I survived. So when I was really young, like primary school age, I remember knowing that my mum was in heaven and that my dad was like far away. Later on, they told me like he was in prison. I suppose like growing up, I always had bad feelings towards myself because of my dad and because of I'm related to a murderer and also a rapist. And I used to think horrible things like, what if I grow up to be like him? When I grew older, I realised that it's not about who you relate to, it's about you as an individual, and are you not to blame for his past? It's not my fault. My mum going through all the abuse that she did, although it's horrible what happened, she wouldn't want me to be sad, she'd want me to be happy. I think that anyone that has been conceived by rape should definitely speak up about it. It's such a taboo subject, and I suppose people feel like they'll be judged, but there are people that will listen. You don't have to always feel so sad.